Welcome everybody. My name is Miss Janet. I will be your host for this new craft channel series. This series is a part of our new Ricoma Crafts channel. I have been embroidering for many years. I hate to say how many years, only it's been about 50 years since the first home embroidery machine came out, and it was a 4x4 hoop, and it was a single needle, and I love doing it. And we had to hoop and hoop and hoop to get a large design. Now with the multi-needles and the larger hoops, I'm in heaven over this. And I love doing embroidery. I'm never too old to learn. And I love teaching. That's what this new series is about, teaching you what I have learned in the past. So enjoy this series. Subscribe, like. If you have any comments, please leave them. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's Day card. Many years ago when I did cards, we didn't have resources like we do today. So I'm going to teach you how to do this in an easy way that you can create your own cards for any holiday that you would like to do. Okay, today we're going to be using a card stock. It's watercolor paper stock, pre-cut heart, our paper tape, tool, tweezers, my little snippet scissors, applique scissors, and real sharp scissors. We're going to be using a heavyweight cutaway stabilizer here. Come on, let's get started. This is a mini hoop magnet. We're using a heavy duty cutaway stabilizer. Clicks in, we're ready to go. Okay, I have my design already in the panel. Lock the machine, yes, and I'm going to do a trace. We're good to go. And what we're going to do is cut a 1/4 inch around here, around the stitch line. I'm using those sharp scissors. I got it going, and now I can use my applique scissors to get in here. This piece you can just throw it away. Now we're going to turn the hoop over carefully, and I have this perfect stitch stabilizer. It's a sticky back. I'm going to pull the paper off, and I'm going to push, lay the sticky side down, and you don't want to push on it, and then I'm going to turn the hoop back over and lay it flat on the table. Then I'm going to go inside here and press it down, just like that. Now we're going to take our card. With the placement line here, it tells me where my card is going to go, and just press it down. Now I'm going to take my tool, and I'm going to cut a piece. Take my paper tape, and you can reuse this tape. And now we're going to put it back on the hoop. Okay, now we're going to push start. What it's going to do is going to go do the outline around the applique part of the tool. Now it's going to do the offset again. Okay, I'm going to remove the tape now. Now I'm going to take my applique scissors And I'm going to trim this tool up to the stitching line. Then I trimmed it up to the line, the stitching line. See how glittery it is? It's really looking sexy. Now we're ready to put it back into the machine. It's doing a secure stitch around the tool to make sure it's not going nowhere. As you can see on the machine, the panel here is doing an eyelet stitch. This is the stitch that is going around the card. I'm going to push start again, and what it's going to do is going to do the outline for our heart. And as you can see, the outline of the heart is here. I have my pre-cut heart that's going to go in there, and I'm just using a water-soluble glue stick, and I'm just putting it on here just a little bit to hold it in place and press it in place. That's all it is to it. Now we're going to put it back onto the machine. Now it's doing the applique stitches around the heart. Now he's going to start doing saying, "I love you." The embroidery is done. Look at how beautiful it turned out. Now I'm going to show you some tricks on how to remove the card from the hoop. Okay, we got the card here, and I'm going to flip the hoop over. I'm going to show you a trick to do. And remember, we used the perfect stick paper, and I'm just going to pull this up, and we cut the 1/4 inch around, and I'm just easing this back through that hole that we cut out, and I'm going to pull this up, pour the card out. There it is, the hole that we used before. I'm going to take my card here, and I'm just going to trim this away. The stabilizer is trimmed away. Now we're going to mount it on our card. I got black cardstock, solid cardstock, and I'm going to use our score tape. The score tape is double-sided. No matter where you send your card to, it will not fall apart. And as you can see, I got it on all 4 sides. Now I'm going to take the paper off, and I'm just going to lay it on top here and just press it. This frames it. This is just adds a little mat to it. It frames it. Now I got my card here. I'm going to put this on top of the card. Again, I'm going to go back to my score tape, and you're just going to hover over it and just press down. That's all it is right there. You made your own card. This is a Valentine's card. You can do any card that you would want. I hope you liked today's episode, Express Craft. I want to see all your cards that you make. Subscribe to our channel, like us, comment on it, share it with people. This is going to be a fun craft show. I hope to see you in the next episode. The bottom, the cutaway stabilizer. And I just knocked my card over. That's okay. You gotta be fast. Okay. This part's going to take longer than do the card. Oh.